Attorney for Luigi Mangione, the CEO murder suspect, tells CBS News New York he will waive extradition at his court appearance tomorrow.
And that means that he will head back to New York to face charges. Sally Bauman has been following this case since the beginning, and she's live in Pennsylvania outside the courthouse in Hollidaysburg. Allie?
Well, Christina, Maurice, Luigi Mangione is set to appear in court here at 8:30 tomorrow morning. And now that his attorney tells CBS News New York that he will waive extradition, that could put him in front of a New York City judge for his Manhattan arraignment within hours. New details tonight about Luigi Mangione's communication in the Pennsylvania prison where he's being held. The 26-year-old suspect has received 40 emails and 53 pieces of mail there since his arrest at an Altoona McDonald's last week and has had 158 deposits into his commissary account. But he may not be there much longer. He's expected to waive extradition in a Pennsylvania courtroom Thursday morning.
If he waives extradition, that should be quite quick.
New York Law School professor Anna Kaminsky.
The idea is we want to be able to get him over here to answer the charges that are pending here in New York. So in a matter of a day or two at most.
Tuesday, Mangione was indicted on 11 charges in Manhattan for the assassination of United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson in Midtown, including first-degree murder in furtherance of terrorism.
This was a killing that was intended to evoke terror. And we've seen that reaction.
The NYPD is revealing investigators spoke to Mangione's mother the day before he was arrested, and while she did not identify him in the photos being circulated, she did tell them it might be something she could see her son doing. CBS News New York has learned Mangione has had 3 visitors in prison, not from family, but rather his 3 attorneys, including Manhattan prosecutor turned defense attorney Karen Friedman Agnifilo.
What would be the benefit of him waiving extradition on Thursday?
The benefit is he gets his New York case to start. We already know that Pennsylvania has said they are not going to move forward with their case until the New York case is completed. And so this means that once he's here, he can actually be arraigned and the case can begin with respect to his New York charges.
Well, in case Mangione changes his mind tomorrow and decides to contest extradition again, then Governor Kathy Hochul says she will swiftly sign a special warrant to then get him back to New York City in a matter of days. Christina, Maurice.
Allie, so if Mangione does go ahead and waive extradition tomorrow, what are the next steps here? What does that look like?
Well, Maurice, law enforcement sources tell us that NYPD detectives will be on hand here in Pennsylvania to make sure he's transported straight to Manhattan, where he's expected to go right to central booking in the Manhattan Criminal Courthouse, where we're told he will be photographed before his arraignment, which could happen either tomorrow late afternoon or early Friday morning. Now, if he's then remanded without bail at that arraignment, which does appear to be likely, we're told that he is expected to be isolated in protective custody at Rikers Island. Maurice and Christine.
All right, Allie, thank you.
And Allie will continue to bring us live coverage from Pennsylvania on Mangione's hearing. Look for her live reporting tomorrow morning beginning at 4:30 and throughout the day tomorrow on CBS News New York.